This is Chamorro History in a Minute with Fanatsu. On September 2nd, 2019, the Fanohge March for Chamorro Self-Determination took place, where a diverse group of more than 2,000 island residents gathered in support of the right of the Chamorro people to self-determination and the need to change Guam's political status. The demonstration began in the front field of Guadalupe and peacefully marched to the front of the U.S. Federal Court building in Anigua. The demonstration was led by a group of Magat-Tautau, or esteemed individuals who have dedicated their lives to the movement for decolonization. Maria Tihan, wife of the late Ron Tihan, Hope Cristobal, B.J. Cruz, Nerissa Underwood, Master of Chamorro Culture Jill Benavente, and Angel Ray Santos, son of the late Angel Santos, carried a banner at the front of the march. In 2020, Senator Kelly Marsh Taitano introduced a bill to commemorate the date of the march, September 2nd, each year as Iha'ana ni Manmanatsu Siha, to honor those who have organized in our community and stood up against injustices.